This 2025 Dutchmen Aspen Trail Lo-19RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corsicana, Texas, 75510 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Corsicana. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a signature interior, sleeps 3, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.